Hey everyone, this is Nick. I saw this really nice infographic on the Visual Capitalist's Instagram page. I'm going to link above and below to that post. It's an infographic about the highest median rents, the top 10 highest median rents in the United States as of 2024. And there are some really cool design elements in this that I thought maybe we could kind of remake them and do it all in PowerPoint. I don't know how the Visual Capitalist does their infographics, but if it's not in PowerPoint, I thought, well, maybe we could try to do it in PowerPoint and nothing else. So this is what I kind of came up with. There's a few things that I couldn't do, like those really pretty custom icons inside the bar chart, but a lot of the things I thought I could do, and I thought I could do pretty well inside of PowerPoint. I added a couple little visual flourishes there of my own, but then also I laid it out in a horizontal way for the slide. There's three kind of elements to this infographic that I really like. This sort of custom title, this custom header there. You can see there are some design elements there that we might want to attend to. You can see the United States map there. It's kind of a choropleth map or a heat map where we have some of the states darker than the others, and then we have those custom map pins and text box labels that show the different cities, and then those correspond to the bar chart on the right with a really beautiful custom gradient fill color. This is something that I noticed that Visual Capitalist does a lot in their charts, a really pretty colored gradient fill that really gives that visual nod to the fact that we're going from greatest to least or least to greatest. And then also the colored numbers that are sort of indicating the rank order, and then some of the labeling on the bar chart as well. So I wanted to go ahead and start making a playlist, a little playlist of each of those elements so that we could kind of go from building block to building block and make this infographic from scratch using pretty much nothing other than PowerPoint. So if you're interested in learning how to do this infographic, there's going to be at least 3 or 4 lessons after this video. Go ahead, like, subscribe. If you hit the bell next to that subscribe button, you'll get notified every time I post a new video. In this playlist, I'm also going to link to the playlist below in the comments. So go ahead and check that for new videos. And if you would love to join my channel membership, Spotlight Superfans, it's $1.99 a month. Go ahead and click the join button and you'll have access to the tutorials immediately as they're posted instead of waiting once a week for a new video to drop. So I hope you all have a great day. Had a great time making this for you. I'm excited to try this out all in PowerPoint with this infographic. Thanks again to the Visual Capitalist for providing awesome infographics and data viz on Instagram and here on YouTube as well. I'll talk to you all next time.